Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to learn to find the HCF by using Euclid's division algorithm. So in the previous video also I have shown how to find HCF by Euclid's division algorithm. But in the previous video the question I have shown was of two numbers, but in this question we learn to find the HCF of three numbers by using Euclid's division algorithm. So this question is from MBOSE book, chapter number 1, question number 2, Roman number 1. So the question is 999, 296 and 925. So in the previous video we have learned to find the HCF of two numbers, like suppose 999 and 296, but here three numbers are there. So if there is three numbers, then what we'll have to do, we have to first choose two number. By finding the HCF of two number, then the HCF will get by that HCF, and by taking the remaining number we'll have to find the HCF again. So we are going to use the same method in this question also as we have done in the previous question. So if we take this two number, that is 999 and 296. So in this two number, if we compare this 999 with 296, so we can see that 999 is bigger. So we'll have to write the bigger number first. So 999. Then what we'll have to do, we have to put an equal sign, and we have to remember the long division method. In long division method, what do we do? If there is two number and we need to find the HCF, so we used to write the bigger number first. So like 999 first. Then what we do? We have to divide by the smaller number, that is 296. So if we divide it, we'll get 3 times. So 3 6 are 18, 8, remain 1, 3 9 are 27 and 1, 28. So remain 2, 3 2 are 6 and 2, 8. So if we subtract, we'll get 111. Then since we have got 3 as the quotient, so 296 into 3, and the remainder is 111 here. So remainder is 111. Now what we'll have to do, this 296 we have to bring here, 296. So like this 296 will come here. So 296. Then after writing 296 here, then we have to divide this 296 by 111. So in the same way 111 will come here. So if we divide 296 with 111, we'll get 2 times here, that is 222. And if we subtract, 6 minus 2 it is 4, 9 minus 2 it is 7. So the quotient is 2 here, so it is 111 into 2 plus, and the remainder is 74. So 74 here. Then again in the same way we have to bring this 111 here. 111 is equal to, then 74 here, 74 into, now if we bring this 111 here and divide with 74, we'll get 1 time, so 74. So 11 minus 4 it is 7, then 10 minus 7 it is 3. So here the quotient you can see 1, so 1 here plus, and the remainder is 37, so 37. So till we'll have to do till we get 0 in the as a remainder. So 74 here, so again this 74 will come here, 74, then is equal to 37 will come here. So in the same way again 74 will come here. So if we divide, we'll get 2 times here, 74, and the remainder is 0. So here the quotient is 2 and the remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, then we need to stop here, and we have to see that the number which is just after the equal sign in the line where we get 0 as a remainder. So in the same line, the number after the equal sign is the HCF of these two numbers. So here, since 37 is the number which is right after equal sign in the same line where we got 0, so 37 is the HCF. So HCF of 999 and 296 is equal to 37. So here by using this number 999 and 296 we have got the HCF as 37. Now what we'll have to do, we have another number remaining here 925. Now what we'll do, we'll have to find the HCF of 925 and the HCF we have got from these two numbers, so that is 37. So now we'll find the HCF of 925 and 37. So again 925 and 37. So if we compare these two numbers, 925 is bigger. So 925 we need to write first is equal to, then 37 will come here. So again we have to follow the long division method. So that is the bigger number we need to write, that is 925, and we need to divide by 37. So if we divide, we will get 2 times here, that is 74. Then 12 minus 4 it is 8, so 9 minus 8 it is 1, so 185. Now again if we divide, it is 5 times, so 185, and the remainder 185, and the remainder you can see it is 0. So if the remainder comes 0, then we need to stop. So 37 into, here we have got the quotient as 25 and the remainder is 0. So since in the first line we have got 0 as a remainder, so we don't need to do anymore. So here the number which is right after the equal sign, that is 37. So this is the HCF. So therefore HCF of 999, 296 and 925 is equal to 37. So this is the way we need to solve this kind of question where we is to find the HCF by using Euclid's division algorithm. So in this channel we are going to learn this kind of question from the MBOSE book regularly. So I would like to